I'm Conrad Angel Corral for your CCTV. Attention, Cathedral City dog owners, and I know there are a lot of you out there. My Desert Dogs has just opened a daycare, boarding, and grooming facility right here on Perez Road. And we are here for the official ribbon cutting. We're also going to go inside and check out those doggy digs. And yes, we are going to meet the new owners. This is a new business segment geared towards our dog lovers. So behind every new business, of course, are new business owners. And I'm very happy to be joined today by Enrique and Sean, who are the new owners of My Desert Dogs. How you doing, guys?
Good.
Doing great. Thank you.
Good. Now, our viewers will probably know from our video that we're showing that today was the official ribbon cutting day. Not official opening day, but ribbon cutting. Is that correct?
Correct. We called it an open house, actually, and sort of a soft opening because our first full day of business will be Monday, the 14th.
All right. Sounds great. You guys are both residents of Cathedral City. Is that correct?
Yes.
And then it's my understanding you are not only business partners in the business, but you're also partners in life also.
Absolutely, yes. We are married. We're married since 2018.
Especially here in Cathedral City, we're always really supportive of our LGBTQ plus community businesses. And so, on behalf of all of us, thank you very much for coming to Cathedral City.
Well, thank you.
Why Cathedral City?
To be honest, I've been a fan of Palm Springs for years and coming out here for many, many years and having the weekend trips and the travel. And we really wanted to start a life out here, and it all started during the pandemic. And when we came out and realized Cathedral City has really got that small town feel and that sense of community that we really love. And it's close enough to Palm Springs, it's close enough to Palm Desert, Rancho Mirage, that you feel, I think it's centralized very well in the Coachella Valley. And since we bought our home here, to start this business here made perfect sense because we're 5 minutes from our house.
Did you work with dogs before? How did you come to have a dog business?
I have almost 4 years and a half and working in the industry, and I always love animals, and I grew up with animals, and I have dogs when I grew up in Mexico with grandma and my family.
I think the partnership of myself and Enrique, who's been in the daycare doggy business now for, like you said, the last 4.5 years. I bring the business side of it. He brings the dog specialty business.
I was here for the ribbon cutting, and I saw something that I've never seen before in a doggy daycare boarding space, and that is gelato for the pets.
Fire gelato.
Fire gelato. Yeah, you can get it here. Tell us a little bit about that idea. How did you find this person?
So, Mitch is a local celebrity here, and Mitch King, some of you may know him, but he has had the business Fido Gelato for, I believe, several years now. And he's got a good social media following. He makes it all homemade. It's made with 100, all natural bananas. He puts some yogurt or some whole milk in there, and he's also a registered nutrition for healthcare. Our main offer here is really service to our community and their dogs, and we offer daycare, we offer boarding, and we offer grooming. So the boarding is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We have pickup and drop off times every day between 9 and 12 o'clock.
Let's talk a little bit about the grooming.
Okay.
So what can you tell us about the grooming section?
Well, the grooming section is important because when we have boarding dogs, if you want to come and pick up your dog, you can take it clean. That was the idea like that.
We also offer grooming just as a regular service. So anyone can come in, and they don't have to be a full-time customer as for boarding or daycare. They can just be a grooming customer.
Daycare, grooming,
and
boarding,
yeah.
Right? Well, I think it's pretty safe to say that Cathedral City has a new place for your dog to hang out at.
Yeah.
Come get a hairdo, come play, come stay overnight, right? This is it.
Totally.
This is perfect. And of course, it's called My Desert Dogs, located right here on Perez Road. I'm Conrad Angel Corral for your CCTV, and we will see you here at My Desert Dogs.